Today, I want to talk about an unexpected credit card charge that many users, especially in Hong Kong, may have encountered. Okay, and that is the Cr ADJ for finance charge EXU Hong Kong. And this charge might appear suspicious. So it's very important to, for you to understand what actions to take and how to prevent such occurrences. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to share my experience and, possibly provide tips to help you to protect yourself from potential scams. Okay. So let's go ahead, discuss several things from, this video, and possibly by the time you're done you'll be able to understand better what this charge is all about, and also some actionable steps that you can take for you to solve this problem. Okay, and in case you've noticed the charge, so let's try and identify the charge. If you've noticed this charge labeled as CRADJ, like credit just for finance charge EXU Hong Kong, on your credit card statement, then you're not alone. Okay, it's a common kind of charge that is reported as an unauthorized, okay, or even fraudulent charge. All the scammers out there that surprises a lot of card holders. Okay, so the charge typically appears with a random amount. Several people see different amounts, which kind of make it difficult to trace back to a specific transaction. All right, but you might want to pay attention to details like the charge date, amount, and also description. Okay, because this can help you provide hints about the origin. So in case you haven't made any recent transaction in Hong Kong, then this charge should raise a lot of concerns for you. Okay. Now, from my research and investigation, I was able to discover that similar cases have been found. Okay, whereby several people also discuss about it, and a lot of users and several OPs have also shared stories of suspicious charges from Hong Kong-based entities. Okay, with amounts often reaching significant figure, and some users contacted their banks. Okay, who also mentioned that such transactions are common in cases where card details might have been exposed. Okay, so from my research, I've been able to see that a lot of people who are experiencing these are those people whom their card details might have been exposed. Okay, like Visa and Mastercard, for example. Okay, they actually provide a 120-day chargeback period, which can allow you to dispute any charge. Okay, and because of this, a lot of people have been able to also reverse unauthorized transaction because they use Visa, MasterCard, and they enjoy the 120-day chargeback period benefit. All right. Now, let me go ahead and discuss some of the steps that you can, take for you to be able to possibly solve this issue. Okay. And we'll crown it up with my preventive tips. Okay. Now, the first thing you want to do is to contact your bank immediately. In case you see this, please notify your bank or, credit card issuer about the unauthorized charge. Okay. As soon as possible. So because with these, they may actually help to block further attempts and also investigate, initiate an investigation. Okay. So go ahead, contact your bank, all right, and notify them about the charge so that they can take immediate action for you as quick as possible. Okay. Because doing this and just sitting back and, thinking that, oh, there is nothing wrong could lead to more charges in the future. Okay. And another thing is you can file for a dispute. Okay. So you can request a charge back or file for a dispute from provided by the bank. Okay, so charge for a dispute form provided by the bank for you to recover any unauthorized charges. From my research, a lot of people have been able to get back their money just from filing a dispute, and they gain the Visa, Mastercard uh chargeback benefit. So you can actually use this also to possibly solve this issue. Okay. Another thing you might want to do is to request a new card. So in cases of fraud, most banks they often issue a new card. Okay, so this helps to prevent further unauthorized use of your compromised details. Okay, so requesting a new card is not bad, although I'm sure maybe you've already been using the card for several other activities, but you can actually go ahead request a new card, and this can help you to possibly solve this issue. Also, because like that, you're able to prevent any further unauthorized use. Okay, and to possibly your details might have been compromised. Okay, and also make sure you always check your transaction history. So try and review recent transactions to identify any patterns that could indicate a security breach. Okay, so from time to time check your transaction history, check it out, see what's going on there, so that you can be able to quickly know any security breach. Okay, and make sure to always follow up. Like, don't just reach out to your bank and sit back. stay in touch with your bank to ensure, maybe your credit card issuer, to ensure that your case is being processed. Okay, so make sure you stay in touch with your bank or your credit card issuer to make sure that that aspect is solved. Okay, especially if they require additional documents like a police report. All right, so it is very important for you to do that. All right, now let's talk about some preventive tips for you in order to avoid any future fraudulent charges. Okay, let's go ahead and discuss these tips for you. The first one is you need to monitor your statements regularly. So let's be sure that you check your account statement every few days to spot unusual activity quickly. Okay, so make sure you check it out. All right, for every few days, because several people don't do these, and almost on my video I always talk about is that you should always try to check out your statements regularly, because with this you can be able to spot any unusual activities very quickly. All right, and also try and enable alerts. Okay, you can set up transaction alerts to kind of receive instant notifications of any charge made to your card. If there's any charge on your card, you can receive instant notification whenever you enable alert, whenever you set up the transaction alert. This helps you to stay notified immediately. Okay, and always be cautious with online transactions. Okay, so you need to avoid storing credit card details on websites or applications with questionable security. Okay, so be careful how you just store your details online. It's very kind of dangerous somehow. Okay, so please be careful. I'll suggest you don't even store your credit card details online. Okay, maybe you can, so far you have it, you can just have it like that. When you want to use it, you can just easily type it, or use it whatever you want. Okay, and also you can report any unauthorized charges promptly. So dispute any suspicious charge immediately. Okay, you need to dispute them with your child, with your bank or your credit card issuer. All right. So these are the preventive tips that I kind of have for you today. Thank you very much. I believe this video has been helpful, and if it has been helpful, please make sure to smash the red subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new uh, videos like this regarding credit card on this channel. And also, don't forget to also like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there who might be needing something just like this. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your time. Till another time, I wish you to stay safe. Enjoy your day.